In this video, we'll be talking about 5 affordable and uniquely cool camping gadgets. From high-tech tools to smart survival gear, these picks are budget-friendly and super practical. Whether you're a weekend camper or a wilderness explorer, these gadgets are total game changers, so let's jump right in. Number 1. RunningSnail Emergency Radio. This is a multitasking radio with several great features. It has a built-in solar panel, so you can charge it anywhere using sunlight. It also comes with a USB port, allowing you to charge it through a USB connection during your camping trips. Thanks to its USB charging system, you can easily power up your phone using your own charging cable, anytime, anywhere. One of the most important features is the hand crank, which lets you generate power manually, without needing electricity or sunlight. It's also equipped with a flashlight, perfect for nighttime use while camping. This radio is a must-have kit for any kind of emergency or outdoor adventure. Number 2. LifeStraw Water Filter. This is the award-winning LifeStraw personal water filter. It goes with you every day and on all your favorite adventures. Ultra lightweight and perfectly portable. You can safely drink water from rivers, ponds, or practically anywhere. It's been tested and trusted by outdoor experts, survivalists, and emergency response teams since day one. Drinking straight from natural water sources is no longer risky. With advanced technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter, designed with microscopic pores that remove bacteria, parasites, microplastics, sand, silt, and sediment. The membrane microfilter lasts up to 1,000 gallons. Stay safe wherever you go with the LifeStraw personal water filter. Number 3. LHKNL Headlamp Flashlight. This headlamp features high-quality LED bulbs that deliver ultra-bright light during your camping trips. It comes with a comfortable and adjustable headband, making it a perfect fit for people of all age groups. It also includes a motion sensor mode, allowing it to detect movement with ease. There are multiple light modes available, so you can adjust the brightness based on your needs. The red blinking light feature can be extremely helpful during emergencies. Just hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn off the light. The headlamp is fully adjustable for a secure and personalized fit. One of its key features is USB charging, along with a battery level indicator that shows how much charge is left. Plus, it's waterproof, so no need to worry about rain or water splashes. This headlamp is a reliable and practical companion for your outdoor adventures, so enjoy your camping experience with it. Number 4. Odoland Lantern. This is a 2-in-1 LED camping lantern with a built-in fan. Just insert the batteries and it's ready to use. It has 2 separate switches, one for the lamp and one for the fan. It provides a soft, steady light and a refreshing breeze during your camping trip. It's lightweight and portable, so you can easily take it anywhere you go. Thanks to its 360-degree rotation, you can adjust it in any direction you need. It also comes with a sturdy hook, allowing you to hang it anywhere, whether it's on a tree branch or inside your camping tent. This is definitely a must-have for your next camping trip. Number 5. Laffizz Waterproof Lighter. This rechargeable lighter produces a flameless dual-arc spark, perfect for easily lighting leaves while camping or hiking. It also creates a powerful jet flame, making it a solid choice for burning small branches or wood on the go. Designed for outdoor use, this lighter comes with a durable lanyard for easy carrying. Thanks to its waterproof build, it stays protected, even if accidentally dropped in water. It's not just a lighter, it's a must-have survival gadget for camping, hiking, and any outdoor adventure. If you liked any of these gadgets, you'll find the links down below in the description. Which gadget was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.